The Ariya Premiere is the second to highest trim level of Nissan's fully electric crossover. Here are some of its key amenities that make it stand out. As for the exterior of the Ariya Premiere, we get 19-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, LED taillights, and that spunky illuminated Nissan emblem. When you get into the back seats of the Nissan Ariya, they're quite spacious and the outboard seats are heated with cloth inserts. You also get two AC vents, a USB-C port, a USB-A port, and a center armrest with two cup holders. Up front, the seats are power operated and heated. We also get a 6-speaker sound system, this really unique Japanese lantern style ambient lighting. We also get this wood trim with hidden haptic buttons. And for the center console, we get two cup holders, a wireless phone charger, and it power slides forward and backward. On the safety front, we get Pro Pilot Assist 2.0, which actually has hands-free driving for the highways, and it can do automated lane changes. We also get a blind spot monitor and a 360-degree camera with an automated parking function. With an EPA range of 289 miles, the Nissan Ariya Premiere is a premium and long-range electric crossover. If you're looking for something stylish and practical, the Ariya Premiere is an excellent choice.